Hello, Scott. This first video is basically the preliminary report that I usually do with any prospective client, but it kind of helps on the sense that you'll see what positioning you have on the search engines and how people can find you. So in this particular case, I have to always search in a VPN, virtual private network. Otherwise, because of all the many accounts that we service, Google fits us whatever they want that is related to what we do. Okay. So having said that, you are enjoying a great position on the sense that if anybody searches for Mercedes Service Chico, California, here you are, okay, in the second spot, which is great. The same way, if anybody goes Mercedes Repair Chico, this one is very hard to get to, and usually it's only reserved for the ones that have a lot of Google reviews. You only have 2 Google reviews, as you will see later, but you still, thank God you're enjoying the top position right there in the Google. And by the way, this comes from the Google Map directory, which is being used right now by 87% of the people. We all do it, okay? We grab a cell phone and say, Mercedes Repair Chico, or, McDonald's near Chico, and bingo. Okay, so this is a great position that you have, okay? Now, you're also here in the regular results, which is called the natural results, organic results. Your website is right here also. Now, I know you are in Yellow Pages, but that's not necessarily because of the Yellow Pages. It's because the shop has been around for so long. I think, what was it, 1966? I can't remember the date. Of course, yeah, it locked in the position. If they search by your actual name, Gear Out of Service, yeah, they will find you also. But I mean, how many Mercedes new owners, okay, will actually know your name? So they usually go by Mercedes Service or Mercedes Repair, just like I showed you in the other screen before. Now, unfortunately, this is the game that first of all, hardly anybody, okay, searches in the Yellow Pages anymore. Okay, that's practically obsolete now. But anyway, this is the kind of game they play, which is what, it really burns me, okay? And if you remember in Euro Performance, I used to pay $1,600 a month for a half page in the Yellow Pages, full color. And when I started computing, the amount of profit that I was getting out of whatever I was spending on the advertising with them, I was never making it, not even breaking even, okay? But regardless, if they look in the Yellow Pages instead of looking in Google, which is what everybody does these days, if they look by Gear Out of Service again here, yeah, they're going to find you right here at the top. They're going to find you prefer Gear Out of Service. That's great. But what happens when they go and search for Mercedes Service Chico, California, which is the way everybody would search? Golly, you are preferred and you're probably paying $200-300 a month, and you're nowhere to be found right here. So that's the kind of game they play. Another thing that is quite important, you don't have a Facebook page. Facebook is amazing on the results that it's generating these days. I'll show you in the next video. So that's something we got to deal with. Then also looking at from the outside, on the Google map, obviously your shop is right here in the back, but apparently from your website, you have, I believe, a very large shop. So we'll deal with that when I show you in the next video. Well, here we are, actually. So when I went to, I think it was services, yep. You see how slowly it does that. But anyway, I'm pretty sure this is your shop. My God, you got a heck of a nice shop. Of course, you're definitely gonna need more people to help you. That's the only way to grow. So we'll deal with that later, all right? But anyway, this is just the brief research that I usually do, like I said at the beginning. That gives you an idea of where you are and what we have to do. The next video will explain the rest. Okay? Thanks.